So here on this 2008, what is it? 2008 2008. Christ. No, we're going to be working on this 2008 Charger. I need to read this again. We're going to be working on this 2008 Charger. We're going to be putting in this Triton 1000 amp. This guy runs about 1000 at peak. And then we are going to be putting in this Deadnaught 12. It's 12 to 10. We're going to be putting in this Deadnaught 10. This should be pretty good. Something cool about this vehicle is everything is located in the back. Now this customer already had his wiring in here from a previous install he did. We will be taking all of this out so that we can give this guy warranty with our top of the line Stinger wire. We're going to go ahead and pull all this out though. We're going to be using 4 gauge on this Triton 1000. I'm going to make me a little amp board, place it in here. He does not have a spare tire, so I don't have to worry about that. He also told me it was totally fine because he does not plan on getting a spare tire. So this is where I'm going to mount my amp. It's right next to the battery. I don't have any issues. The only thing I'll need to do is pull signal from the front. And luckily for me, this guy has already put in an aftermarket radio, so all I have to do is run RCAs to here. It should be good. From another time and fade away. And even if he does get a new tire, it's going to be like perfect right there.
There's donuts up front.
Oh yes! Yeah!
Hey, you want to do me a favor?
Go for Laz. Hello?
Hi, good morning to you, sir. This is Jack Davis, and why didn't you do so far so good?
Your name's what?
My name is Jack Davis. How are you today?
Your name's Jack Devin? Nice to meet you, Jack Devin. My name's Rick James.
Ew, what the
It's giving me viruses. Man, that sucks. That sucks. The customer's stuff that was already in the car. Of course, we're removing all this, but I'm going to use this to pull my wires through the car. Since it's already ran through, it makes it a little easier for me. My life has passed me by. I look around and wonder why you were always there for me. One way.
Situation gonna make it right. In the shadow of the darkness I stand in the light. See, it's our style to keep it true. I had a bad year, I'll go through. I've been knocked out, beat down, black and blue. She's not the one coming back for you. She's not the one coming back for you. If I fall back down, you're gonna help me back up again. If I fall back down, you're gonna be my friend. If I fall back down, you're gonna help me back up again. If I fall back down, you're gonna be my friend. It takes disaster to learn a lesson.
Burn my shirt.
You're gonna make it through the darkest night. Some people betray more than class treason. Wanna make everything alright. Woo! Well, the worst of times they don't faze me. Even if I look and act really crazy, I won't wait till she betrayed me. Now my vision is no longer hazy. I'm very lucky to have my crew. They stood by me when she flew. I've been knocked down, beat down, black and blue. She's not the one coming back for you. She's not the one coming back for you. If I fall back down, you're gonna help me back up again. If I fall back down, you're gonna be my friend. If I fall back down, you're gonna help me back up again. If I fall back down, you're gonna be my friend. If I fall back down, you're gonna help me back up again. If I fall back down, you're gonna be mine.
Alright, so we're about finished. This is 2008. She is now bumping pretty good. We have a bass knob down there, ran all the way through. Everything is located in the trunk. We got our Deadnaught 12 in there. This customer's equipment. And we have our amp mounted to the back. Everything is nice and tight, zipped up good. So, if you guys ever want to come on by to the Vernons Signature Audio, you're more than happy to kill it.
If I fall back down,